Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see notification history on iPhone. This is super helpful if you just want to control how your notifications are displayed on your lock screen. So let's jump right into it. First, grab your iPhone and head over to the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option called Notifications and tap on it. Here, you'll see some really useful options for customizing how your notifications appear. Apple now gives you 3 different styles to choose from. Count. This option shows you the total number of notifications waiting, but it keeps things minimal so your lock screen doesn't get cluttered. Perfect if you like a clean look. Stack. With this option, your notifications are grouped into a stack so they stay organized and you can expand them whenever you need. List. This one shows all your notifications in a full list view just like the classic style. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.